Don't Push the Button by Bill Cotter. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. Maybe you should just give the button one little push. Ah, now I'm yellow. Push it again, push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Ack! Now there's two of me. Push it a whole bunch of times. What do you think is going to happen? What's going to happen if you push the button a whole bunch of times? Uh-oh. So many monsters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, so many. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Upside down, right side up. Let's see if that works. Almost. A little more. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Scratch, 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 scratch. New scratch. Scratch his tummy. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Push the button. The end. Uh-oh, you pushed the button. That's a fun one.